That's right, guys. Today we are wide bodying the Honda S2000. All right, so this was a Facebook Marketplace purchase, but check this out. Sebring Silver, the Fenders Sebring Silver. And I know what you're saying. You guys are saying, Jay, those are like spoon, you know, wide body Fenders. They're like $3,000. You would be right, and I have the authentic spoon JDM logo to prove it. I'm not a body shop, but we're gonna give this the old college try. I think I have to remove the front bumper, which I was not prepared for. So I'm gonna jack the car up and start working on it. So you guys are probably thinking, Jay, this is like the last thing that you need on your car is wide body fenders. And you would be right, you would be right. You know, but this ultimately is going to allow me to run a wider front tire, which is gonna be nice. And also we are doing suspension on the car this week. And so we are going to need a little bit more clearance in here. And also, I mean, if I've learned anything from Archetype Racing, it's that looking cool is just as important as going fast. Now, I have never tried to take off the front bumper before. I'm still really liking this headlight. I'm gonna link it down below. All right, so I got the fender liner out right here. I don't think I'll be needing that anymore, but we'll see. I'm still just working on the front bumper. It's nice I can see the headlights and everything though now. Makes it easy to work on. Obviously it'll get a little dirty, but... And then we're changing some stuff in here very soon this week. We did it! We did it! Now, I'm not a professional body shop, but that sure felt good taking that off. Now, I don't know if I'm going to be able to put it back together. Now, I think I am ready to do the fenders now. I know it was going too easy. These ones down here are pretty tricky. See, they're like infused with the body here. Huh. We got it. We got it. I have got to get some better tools. All I have is this, it's a Mac driver, but it's a 1/4 inch. It has no torque. Oh, we did it! All right, we did it. I can't believe it. Okay, this is great. So you can see here, the whole fender is off. Now, I'll be honest. I'm pretty sure the factory ones are aluminum, so they're extremely light. They're not as light as the fiberglass spoon replica ones that I have. It wasn't that bad. Wasn't that bad. So I am going to try to put the new fender on now and cross my fingers that the fitment is decent. I'm contemplating deleting the reservoir for the windshield wipers. I do have a different hood for it. That might actually go on in today's video. It's right here, carbon fiber vented. Maybe I'll leave it for later. I'm not really using my wipers. I don't think I've ever even tried to squirt it. I'll leave it for later. I'm not going to tighten these yet. This is going really good. I just have 3 more to go, and then I can tighten them all down, and this side will be done. Okay, we got one on. Can you guys tell any difference? Headlight, four fingers, 7 fingers. Headlight, 4 fingers, maybe 1 finger. So these I think are 22 millimeters wider, which is like 3/4 of an inch. And obviously they have the cool little cutout right here. It is a pretty sick angle right there. All right, so now that I've done one, I should be able to do the other one. We did it, we got both sides on. Check this out. Very cool. Very cool. Body lines look fine. They're not perfect, but they're fine. This side actually went on easier than the other ones. You'll notice I'm missing the S2000 logo. I don't know. Do you guys think I should put another one on there? I could probably order one off like eBay, maybe a black one or something. I'm not sure yet. Okay, well, I guess now we just got to put the front bumper on and then see how it looks. I think we might have time to do the hood. We'll see. All right, we got them both on. Let's check the hood, make sure it closes. There we go. Awesome. Now, is it perfect? No. But is it good enough? Yes. Look at this, is nice. This line right here carries over. All this, pretty much the same angle. You can see there's a little notch right here. This is nice. Obviously, this is a good amount wider than the factory. You can see right here, you know, we're 2 fingers wider. They make a little step-up piece right here that I might get, or maybe we'll do a different front bumper. I'm not sure. This thing can still be massaged. The body line's pretty good. Pretty good. Close right here. Close right here. Yeah, okay, I think I will try to put on the hood real quick. Then that will be pretty much just the whole front end transformation. Now, let me preface, this hood is in really bad shape, okay? This was basically given to me. It's carbon fiber, it has a vent in it, and that's the reason. So I was going to get some track vents and cut them out here to help with cooling and look cool and cooling and looking cool. But I figure, okay, so if I can just basically pay nothing for a carbon fiber vented hood, it's a little beat up, sure, maybe I'll wrap it, maybe I'll try to refinish it. You can see here, but all this is smooth. It is scratched up, but it's all smooth. This is the VIS carbon fiber hood. I don't know too much about it or the company, but I know new, it's like $1,400 or something like that. So let me try to put it on, see if it fits. This would be way easier with 2 people. Andrea! I've just got to do a little trimming right here so the hood will close properly. Safety first. Alright, so no surprise, I'm having a little bit of trouble getting the hood to really close. It's not well aligned. It's not going anywhere right now. It's not, you know, it's definitely locked down. I'm going over to my buddy Jason's early this week, and he has actually helped me in the past get a hood aligned, so I think that we're going to be able to take care of it. We might need to do a little trimming or whatever, race car. I mean, this is a super beat up hood. I mean, I paid just pennies for it, you know. Anyways, actually, I think overall the fitment is pretty good on the hood. All the body lines right here look good. The vent's nice. I guess we're probably going to be releasing some hot air down there. We'll figure out, you know, maybe I'll put a little mesh here or something like that. This thing is super beat up, but, you know, if I wrap it or maybe get it, you know, the clear coat buffed off this, it should be actually really nice. This is a completely different look now. I think it's gonna be cool. We got some more parts coming too. We got a big track day coming, October 10th. Anyone, if you're in Northern Florida, just shoot me a message on Instagram and I'll hook you up with the people. I think it's only $100. I will be there. Both of my cars will be there. We got a lot to do to this car. So I'm gonna get it lowered. We're probably gonna be positive offset right now because I'm still gonna be running the factory wheels. These will be on for the track, but right now probably put on the factories. They'll probably be sticking in quite a bit. It might look a little bit silly, but yeah, we're gonna get the car down and see how it looks on the ground. Okay, I've decided to put my track wheels on. You know, we are doing suspension in a couple days, and I don't want to have to pull the stock ones off because we're gonna have to test fit and, you know, do whatever we have to do with these wheels on the car. So actually it'll probably look a little bit better right now, and I'm just gonna put them on. All right, yeah, let's go. All right, so we're making tons of progress here. Car's pretty much ready just to be torqued down, get out, check it out. Really loving it so far. Really loving how it looks. It's not perfect, all right, it's not perfect, but it's a little track car, cheap little track car. I would finish it right now, but Andrea and I are going to that Van Gogh exhibit where it's like all digital and you know, they just put all the paintings and art and stuff around you on the floor, on the ceilings. So I'm gonna go do that and we'll finish this up in the morning. All right, so there we go. The wide body's on, the carbon fiber hood is on. Yes, it's not perfect, all right? This is really cheap budget Facebook marketplace deals here. But I will say, I'm very impressed. I'm glad it's more or less the same color as my car. The hood does need a little bit of massaging, okay, to get it to fit right, but I'm gonna be able to take care of that, no problem. I think this is going to give me a little bit extra clearance, so when I do the suspension in a couple days, hopefully I won't have any problems. I might try to reuse some of the fender liner. Obviously, like, it's not gonna mount up towards the outside, but on the inside I might be able to use a little bit more of it. And yeah, I'm pretty pumped. Like, the thing's coming along. Don't get me wrong, it looks a little beat up right now, but it's like way more track car look than just like factory Honda S2000 look. Let me know down below, honestly, what do you guys think of how the S2000 is coming along? Lots more to do. Suspension going on this week, doing some lightweight stuff, brakes, maybe a hard top. All right, we're just trying to get ready for the next track day, October 10th. If you guys want to go, it's at the firm, North Florida. Send me a message on Instagram and I will put you in touch with the guy that's kind of running the thing. It's only $100 and it's a private track day, so you can pretty much do whatever you want. I don't think you'll need an instructor, but you will need a helmet if you want to go run the car. So anyways, let me know on Instagram. Let me know down in the comments what you guys think about this. I will see you guys in the next episode.